tomato fry with mustard and chickpea flour, or fried tomato with mustard and chickpea flour. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and most delicious of the snack recipes and most amazing of the evening snacks recipes and most different of the tomato recipes and the most easiest to make of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the mustard recipes. Today we are going to make tomato fry with mustard and chickpea flour. Ingredients are 1 tomato cut into 8 to 10 pieces, and mustard paste, which we get from the supermarket. Apply the mustard paste on the tomatoes. And cover with another tomato paste. Alternatively, you can do it with single tomatoes. Similarly, apply it on the next tomato piece. Cover it. Keep it aside. Similarly, do this with the next one. Now heat the 100 grams of chickpea flour. Put in salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of chili powder. Pour in certified oil on the over. Mix so as to make a nice paste. Pour a little oil. Make it a nice paste. Heat the pan and put in 20 to 30 ml of oil, and oil would heat. Put in the tomato piece into the chickpea flour. Apply it on the tomato piece. Apply it thinly. Put it into the oil and cook for 90 seconds. Move it around. integrity, irrecoverable. Take off the bag and onto the plate. Put in the next. Now 22, 30, 30 to 40 seconds. And turn it back. Take off the bag and onto the plate. Put in the next. Take off the bag. Put in the next. Tomato piece. Turn on the pan. Fry for 40 seconds. Put it in. Fry. Put in the next. Tomato piece. Turn it on. Let it fry. Turn it on again. Take off the pan. Turn the flame. Tomato fry with mustard and chickpea flour or dried tomato, mustard and chickpea flour with yeast extract in the recipes and roast. easy to make with us, right? Recipes and most dishes with the tomato recipes and most delicious mustard recipes and most unique with the tomato recipe and most different of the chicken recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification.